In traditional paper roll factories, efficiency is often slowed down by tedious manual operations. Information relies on paper documents, making material tracking difficult. Inventory counting is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The entire production process lacks transparency. The change began with giving each roll of paper a unique digital ID card. RFID readers enable data to flow automatically. When RFID tags are attached to paper rolls, a silent revolution in automation begins. When raw materials are received into the warehouse, the reader automatically identifies them in batches, achieving registration within seconds. During the production process, the system automatically retrieves parameters and seamlessly connects workstations. Accurate data can be obtained with a simple long-distance scan during warehouse inventory checks. Finally, at the outbound checkpoint, the system automatically verifies the shipping manifest, completely eliminating the possibility of incorrect or missing shipments. A transparent system covering the entire process from raw materials to finished products has been established.